In this video, we overview how you can easily add a Microsoft Azure account to MSP360 Managed Backup. First, you need to sign up for a trial account for MSP360 Managed Backup by filling in the form on the Sign Up page. If you already have an account, sign into it. To use your Microsoft Azure account, choose not to use MSP360's Test 2 GB storage. When you are in the MSP360 Managed Backup console, go to the Storage tab, then press Storage Accounts. Here, you can see all your connected storage accounts. To add a new one, press the Add Account button in the upper right corner, and then choose Microsoft Azure. You will then be able to set a display name for the new account and provide your storage account name and shared key. To find your account name, you can go to the Microsoft Azure console, then to your resource group, and you will see the list of storage accounts. Choose an existing account or create a new one. Copy its name and paste it into the MSP360 Managed Backup console. To get the shared key, go to your account settings in the Microsoft Azure console, and then to the Access Keys section. After you enter the required information, choose the account type. To learn which account type you need, please click on the question mark for more information. Then press Next. In the next step, you need to create a backup destination. To do this, set a display name for your destination and either choose the backup container you want to use or create a new one. After you are done, press Next. In the next step, you specify which companies or users you want to use the storage account for. In MSP360 Managed Backup, you should create a user that will later be associated with the computer you want to back up. You can also create companies and assign several users to them. If you haven't created a user or a company before, you will be prompted to create the first company, and you will see your first default user in the Users tab, under the email address with which you signed up. We do not recommend assigning your storage account to this user for production purposes. Instead, click Next. Later, you will be able to manage your users and companies properly. In the last step, you can review the settings of your new account and, if necessary, go back to edit anything. After you press Save, you will be able to see your new account in the list of all connected accounts. Now you need to create a user to assign your storage to. To do that, go to the Users tab and click Create User. If you want to learn more about creating users and companies, check out our Endpoints, Users, and Companies with MSP360 Managed Backup Service video. After you have created a user, go to the Downloads tab and select the build you will install to the target machine. After you have installed the software on the computer, you will be able to assign it to the user. To do that, go to the RMM tab and then click the RMM section. There you will see the name of the endpoint you have just deployed the software to. Click Add User Account to assign it to a user. That's it. Now you are ready for your first backup to your Microsoft Azure storage. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact our pre-sales team.